Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the most simple, enjoyable, and natural way. You don't need to study hard or memorize long rules. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's all it takes to improve your English and learn something meaningful about life in the United States. Today's video is about one of the most magical, joyful, and emotional celebrations in America, Christmas. It's a holiday that brings families together, fills the streets with lights and music, and reminds people of kindness, generosity, and togetherness. But what are the Christmas traditions in the U.S. that you really need to know? Let's find out. In the United States, Christmas is celebrated on December 25th, but the season begins much earlier. Right after Thanksgiving, usually at the end of November, people start decorating their homes with Christmas trees, lights, wreaths, and all sorts of festive ornaments. You'll see streets, stores, parks, and even cars decorated with lights, snowflakes, and reindeer. One of the most important traditions is the Christmas tree. Families buy or set up artificial trees in their living rooms and decorate them with lights, colorful balls, stars, and sometimes candy canes. At the top, many people place a star or an angel, which represents the guiding star of Bethlehem from the biblical story of Jesus' birth. Another major tradition is gift giving. Weeks before Christmas, people shop for presents to give to family, friends, and even coworkers. Gifts are wrapped and placed under the Christmas tree, and they're usually opened on Christmas morning. Children especially look forward to this, as they believe Santa Claus, a jolly man in a red suit, flies in from the North Pole to deliver presents to good boys and girls. Santa is a huge part of American Christmas culture. Kids write letters to him, leave cookies and milk out on Christmas Eve, and sometimes even take pictures with Santa at shopping malls. Whether or not you believe in him, Santa brings joy, magic, and imagination to the season. Christmas Eve, the night before Christmas, is also special. Families often gather for dinner, go to church services, or simply enjoy time together. Many people watch classic Christmas movies like Home Alone, The Grinch, or It's a Wonderful Life. And let's not forget Christmas music. You'll hear it everywhere, from car radios to coffee shops, with songs like Jingle Bells and Silent Night playing nonstop. Christmas in America is a mix of religious tradition, family time, and festive fun. Whether it's about celebrating the birth of Jesus, exchanging gifts, or enjoying the magic of lights and snow, Christmas is a moment to pause, reflect, and share joy. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about American Christmas traditions, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That's where we'll help you review everything you've learned and strengthen your English and cultural understanding. Please give this video a like and share it with others to help us keep growing and creating even better content. See you in the next adventure